Dad's mutton.
Okay.
Muttons.
Muttons.
Like versions, different versions. He's a bab cook.
So are you a foodie?
Yes.
You
That
are?
is my curse. Because,
really?
Yeah, because I eat a lot.
You eat a lot.
But I'm not really I've gotten to a place where I try and keep a check on my diet. So it's a bit of a curse that I'm a foodie.
So it's a Kapoor thing that we all love to
Yes.
eat good food. So what is that one favorite dish of Adi Roy Kapoor? And do you know the recipe and do you cook it?
My dad's mutton.
Okay.
Muttons.
Muttons.
Like versions, different versions. He's a bab cook.
Oh, he is?
Yeah, next level. So we've been spoiled.
Oh.
Yeah.